Hey guys, we're back with a new set of amazing tools and gadgets for your room. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Beva Power Strip Tower Surge Protector Flat Plug Desktop Charging Station. Power and charge all in one. A single multi-outlet extension cord with 9 AC outlets and 4 USB ports to power many appliances at the same time, like your computer, treadmill, speakers, tablets, phones, PC, lamp and other devices in your office, home. Smart high-speed USB charging tower. USB charging output is 5 volts 3.1A, which could offer 4 ports running at the same time, and fast charging USB port with smart IC technology can auto-adjust charging rate to give your USB devices a safer and faster speed charge. Desktop tower design. Vertical tower design and 4 sides of sockets provides enough space for each outlet and USB port, saving more space and cleaning various cords in your home and working area comparing with traditional power strips. And this multiple plug outlet has flexible 6 feet extension cord to reach anywhere you want. Switch control and surge protector. One mechanical switch controls the power of AC outlets and USB charging ports. Overload protection protects your laptops, speakers, printers and other electronic appliances against unexpected surges and spikes. Next, MOKOQI magnetic levitating globe with LED light. Levitation globe floating in midair by the magnetic force from bottom and top of frame. 3 LED beads in frame shows purple, pink and cyan colors. Amazing centerpiece. Spinning 25-minute, floating globe levitating globes almost zero friction force while at levitation in air. Try drive the globe by your hand, the 360-degree rotation will last 15 to 25 minutes. Cool decor on desk or bookshelf decor. Cool conversation piece with others. Cool gift for men and kids, great gifts for friend, children, colleagues, even your boss. Perfect birthday gifts for men and personalized gifts for men, anniversary or Valentine's Day gifts, Father's Day's gift ideas. It is a funny men's gifts. Next, Eavo Remote Control Ocean Wave LED Projector. 7 lighting mode and built-in music player. The Ocean Wave Projector night light not only projects 7 different colorful lights on the ceiling or walls, but also can play built-in hypnosis music or external cell phone, iPad, MP3 audio, create a romantic, relaxing and delightful atmosphere, perfect for baby, kids' bedroom and living room. Remote control and touch sensing button, double option operation mode, very convenient to use. Timer function auto off 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours auto off feature. The lamp will automatically shut off after setting. Therefore you don't need to worry to turn it off when you sleep. Max 45-degree adjustable angle, max 45-degree tilt, allow you to project with your desired angle. Next, Tomcare Cube Storage 6 Cube Closet. Plastic panel large storage space. It contains 6 cubes modular shelving. Each size of the cube is 11.8 by 11.8 by 11.8 inch, providing large space to store shoes, toys, clothing and handbags. Multifunctional organizer. This cube storage can be used in many places. A collection shelf in your study room, a clothes organizer in your bedroom, a display shelf in entryway, and a toy storage solution in kids' room. High stability. The high-quality ABS connector secure the whole structure firmly and the thickened PP panel is durable that can hold more things. And the max load capacity of each cube is up to 15 pounds. So this closet organizer is really stable. Easy assembly. Simple modular structure makes it easy to install and disassemble. With the help of a hammer included in the package and the instruction, you can easily assemble the whole unit. Next, Govi 32.8 feet color changing LED strip lights. Triple the control. Take control of your LED lights with the Govi Home app, the remote, or the control box. With a stable Bluetooth connection, you can change colors, power the lights on off, or adjust brightness within a 10 meters 32.84 control range. Customize your lighting. With the DIY mode, via the Govi Home app, you can personalize light effects to your liking. Choose from 16 million colors and reinvent your bedroom, kitchen, and living room decor with ease. Multiple scene options. The LED color changing lights feature 64 scene modes, easily transforming your space to match your mood, indoor activities. Select dating mode to create an atmosphere for your dinners or film mode when enjoying a movie night. Set up in seconds. Simply attach the strip lights to a clean, dry surface using the adhesive. For extra security, you can also trim the lights to fit your specific design.